Hello, I am Virendra Rawat. I am the Director of Green Mentors. We bring power of nature and power of culture into education worldwide. We are based at Ahmedabad. Recently, the clean NCRT was trending on the social media, and when we have evaluated the books authored by NCRT professors, we found that yes, lot of thing is missing in the Indian education systems. Our curriculum designing agency NCRT is not competent enough to design the curriculum to very highly talented Indian students. Indian students are great and their IQ level is very high. They are expecting best curriculum. They are expecting globally competitive curriculum. They are expecting and the curriculum which can take them to world and which can be better than other countries curriculum. So new education policy has been introduced, and but without the quality of curriculum, we cannot get the benefit of the new education policy. There is a lot of flaws in the curriculum. The whole concept of teaching learning process is not defined very clearly, and books are not authored originally. The originality is missing, and the compilation is not appropriate. And when we send these books to other countries, so a lot of comments has been received about the quality of content, the evaluation process, the rote learning, memorizing, a lot of things. So I'll tell about the NCRT. NCRT is the organization which has the responsibility to design the curriculum, but unfortunately it is totally controlled by the communist professors, which does not believe the idea of India. They don't believe India as a country, and that's why they don't include the Indian content into education. So they borrow content from their toxic ideology, and these toxic ideology are making our content very toxic. As we know that India is the source of the learning content for the world, but unfortunately today we are struggling to have the best content in our education system. So we have to think about NCRT, and has to be clean or redesigned and reshaped, and the best professor must be brought in, and the curriculum designing agency must be accountable to learning outcome, and must address the expectation of aspiring Indian students, because India is the future of the world. We have to design our curriculum according to our future, because India will have to lead. Without Indian leadership, we cannot have the sustainable planet. We cannot have the balanced world. India is essentially needed to make the world more sustainable, more livable, because our values, our culture, our ethics is power to the planet, and we'll have to think about it. And our talent must be nurtured with the best content, and I'm sure that either NCRT has to be redesigned or bring some best in it, or some alternative of NCRT must be provided. Let the student have the autonomy to select the content, the quality of syllabus they want to learn, and which can shape their future best. So we request Education Minister to think about NCRT and its the curriculum designing process, or I'm sure that the present government will make the necessary changes to fulfill the demand of aspiring Indian student, and let the Indian curriculum lead the world, and let the Indian student lead the world. Thank you very much.